Today we will learn about the area of a rectangle. In the previous video, we learned that the surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. We also learned that the area of a figure can be measured by comparing the area of a figure to square of a fixed size. Its area is the number of unit squares enclosed by the figure. Today, we will discuss how to find the area of a rectangle. Look at this rectangle with length 6 cm and breadth 4 cm. Let's find its area. To find the area, we will use a squared paper or graph paper, where every square measures 1 cm multiplied by 1 cm. Thus, the area of each square is 1 square centimeter, or in short like this. Next, we will make an outline of the rectangle on this squared paper. In the previous video, we adopted a convention to measure the area. Let us find the area of a rectangle using the same convention. Rule 1. The area of one full square is taken as 1 square unit, that is, 1 square unit. In the given figure, the unit distance is 1 centimeter. Therefore, the area of one full square will be 1 square centimeter. In the given rectangle, we observe that the total number of full squares is 24. Since the area of one full square is 1 square centimeter, we can say that the area enclosed by full squares is 24 multiplied by 1 square centimeter is equal to 24 square centimeter. Rule 2. Ignore portions of the area that are less than half a square. We don't have such squares here. Rule 3. If more than half of a square is in a region, count it as 1 square. That is 1 square centimeter. We don't have such squares either. Rule 4. If exactly half the square is counted, take its area as half square unit, that is half square centimeter. We don't have half squares here. In this way, the total area of the rectangle is 24 square centimeter. Looking at the length, breadth and area of this rectangle, do you see any relation between them? Think for a while. Yes. If we multiply the length and breadth, we get the area of the rectangle. Is this true for any rectangle? Let's find out. Look at this rectangle. Its length is 9 cm and breadth is 7 cm. Here, the total number of squares is 63. Here none of the squares are half, less than half or more than half. Therefore, we can say that the area of this rectangle is 63 square centimeter. Again, if we multiply the length and breadth, we get the area of rectangle 9 cm multiplied by 7 cm is equal to 63 square centimeter. Thus, we can say that the area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So, can you tell us what will be the area of a rectangle whose length is 23 meter and breadth is 17 meter? Pause the video and find out. If your result is 391 square meter, it means you are well versed with the concept of area of a rectangle. Now, find the area of the door of your classroom. Today we learned about the area of a rectangle. In the next video, we will see some interesting examples related to it. Today we will see some examples related to the area of a rectangle. An old farmer has a farm of length 200 meter and breadth 100 meter. He has to divide this farm equally among his 2 sons and 2 daughters. Find out how much area of the farm each person will get.
First, let us check what information are given and what we have to find out.
An old farmer has a farm of length 200 meter and breadth 100 meter, which he has to divide equally among his 2 sons and 2 daughters, which means the farm has to be divided into 4 equal parts. By finding the area of one part, we can easily tell how much area of the farm each person will get. We can solve it in different ways. First, let us divide the farm into 4 equal parts. For this, we will divide the length by 2, so that we obtain the midpoint of the length at 200 meter by 2 is equal to 100 meter from the corner. By joining the midpoint of the opposite sides, we will divide the farm into 2 equal parts. Similarly, when we divide the breadth by 2, we obtain the midpoint of the breadth at 100 meter by 2 is equal to 50 meter from the sides. Now, if we join the midpoint of the opposite sides, with the help of both line segments, we will be able to divide the farm into 4 equal parts. Here, the length and breadth of each part are 100 meter and 50 meter respectively. We know that the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Hence, the area of each part of the farm will be 100 meter multiplied by 50 meter is equal to 5000 square meter. In this way, we have solved the given question. We can use another method to solve this question. Can you tell us which method is that? Think for a while. Let me explain. Here, we have to find how much area will each person get. Therefore, we will find the area of the entire farm, which will be 200 meter multiplied by 100 meter is equal to 20,000 square meter. Since this area will be divided into 4 equal parts, the area of one part will be the total area divided by 4, that is 20,000 square meter divided by 4 is equal to 5,000 square meter. Next example. The following figure illustrates the layout of a house. If according to this layout, we have to place tiles in the house at the rate rupees 50 per square feet, what will be the total expenditure? In order to find the answer to this question, first, we will have to find the total area of the house. We can divide this figure into 2 rectangles in this way. We will name them ABCD and DEFG. The length and breadth of rectangle ABCD are 25 feet and 20 feet respectively, whereas the length and breadth of rectangle DEFG are 40 feet and 30 feet respectively. Area of the entire floor of the house is equal to area of rectangle ABCD plus area of rectangle DEFG is equal to 25 multiplied by 20 plus 40 multiplied by 30 square feet is equal to 500 plus 1200 square feet is equal to 1700 square feet. Since the area of the entire floor of the house is 1700 square feet, and the cost of installing tiles per square feet is rupees 50. Therefore, the total cost of installing tiles per 1700 square feet will be 1700 multiplied by 50 is equal to rupees 85,000. This is the answer to the given question. So today, we saw some examples related to the area of a rectangle.